Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 BMW 118 SE. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, producing 134 brake horsepower while still returning up to 58 miles per gallon, so good balance there between fuel economy and performance. The engine is also Euro 6 compliant and the car's covered just over 25,000 miles after having 3 services. This particular colour is called Alpine White and looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the lovely BMW interior there with the really supportive seats and an armrest there in the centre. This car has the multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, and then you have your air conditioning controls below. And this car also has automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features. Being the 5-door, good access there at the back, nice wide door opening. And see passengers have got the original BMW floor mats, which is good to see, and pockets in the back of the front seats. The rear bench also has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, we've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and also the original cargo net as well. The original owner chose a few factory options, which include the enhanced Bluetooth, the front and rear parking sensors, as well as park assist. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.